Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys, and got another episode of tool porn, I can call it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I end up picking up here. As you can see, I got the Milwaukee 2447-20 stapler gun. Now, the reason me getting this, all right, as many of you know from my previous video, I went all in with the Milwaukee system. And I've been using it to renovate my house, and those tools are ideal. I really enjoy them, using them. They're cordless, as you know, battery operated, and it's just very dependable right now. So I just want to show this for you guys out there who's into online shopping, who's doing research, who wants a little closer look at a certain item. And this is what this video is about. So I end up picking up a stapler gun. Now, initially, I didn't need a stapler gun, but as you know, I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this brand right here. And as you can see, by the looks of them, I have two of them. So I already had a stapler gun, and these were working. And again, is the proper word, working for quite a while. But I noticed, when operating these type of system, I was always getting jammed up. And then you guys who owns it know what I'm talking about. When you own these things, they somehow these pins are constantly getting jammed up. You got to dig in there to try to get it out, and one of these doesn't work anymore. All right, I tried taking it apart, putting it back together, what have you, and it just wasn't happening. And I told myself I refused to buy another set. Now, this one, I believe, is still working, but again, the headache of constantly jamming was just getting frustrating, all right? And so I decided to upgrade my game to this system. Now, the only reason why I bought this one, and I guess the only reason, is that I took advantage of a sale that Home Depot was running. As you know, these things could be very expensive, but at the time, I believe I got around Father's Day, they was running a sale, and I had the staple gun along with 2 batteries and the charger, which I really don't need the charger because I about have 3 of these already, but I couldn't pass up the whole system for $99. So I saw that $99 for all of this is very reasonable. And as you can see, as they say, value is $167. You know, take it for what it's worth. But again, it's not unreasonable to pay $100 or close to $80 just for the batteries and the charger. So to get the stapler plus a charger and the batteries, and on top of that, they give you a bag. All right. And these bags, the Milwaukee bags, are made very well. I like them. All right, I have 2 of them already, one for my drywall gun and one for my whole tool set that I picked up. And check out that video, that unboxing. So again, to get a bag, charger, 2 batteries, and a stapler for $99, you can't go wrong. All right, something a little more durable, a little more reliable. And again, with this system, as you know, you can use various amount of staplers, so you're not locked into one size, which is ideal for a DIY person. You know, we really don't look too much toward this. We want to buy whatever's on sale, stick it in there, and go about our business. So this is ideal. So I just want to show you guys a closer look at it. I'm gonna unbox it for guys who are out there just simply online shopping, looking for more information, want a closer look. The boys and their toys, and our toys right now are twos. So let's get into the video. Let's open it up and take a closer look. All right, guys. As you can see, this is how it comes, all boxed up. And I'm pretty sure you're aware of Milwaukee. Their stuff is boxed very well. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open it up real quick. All right. Take a look in the box. There's nothing else. So I'm gonna stick that to the side. Again, give you directions, give you a brochure of all the other items you can get in the Milwaukee system. Again, the tools are countless, especially when it comes to the cordless one. I really like the technology. The battery ones I've been using are excellent. Recharge time takes pretty much no time, especially if you have multiple batteries. You're really not going to lose power on your project. And this is how it looks, guys. All right. Has a clip here, so if you want an extra clip to clip it onto a belt, you can get that. Oh, actually, there's one right here. All right. So you can mount it either on this side or that side. So that's cool. It looks nice, guys. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Some nice stapler. You let it clip here. You push it to pull out to include your staplers. And I think most likely you're probably gonna drop it right here. That's how it looks. You're gonna drop your staplers here, and you're gonna push this in to glide it in. Low, yeah, and it says right here. It says load staplers inside channel. So when you open it up, you're gonna drop the staplers in here and put it in, which I like. So there's no guessing on how much you should put in, as opposed to when you put this in. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this. These are the arrow fasteners, model T50. When you load it, you have to pull this out, right? I got some staples here now. You load it in and put this in. If you overload it, this won't go in. So you pretty much got to guess how much to put in. How much staples you need to put in to fit this in. All right, so that's one thing about this. Here is no guess. You'll see exactly how many staples you're putting in for one slot, and they'll fit right in. So I like that. So it takes the guesswork out of it. Oh, all right. Yeah, guys. Of course, this is a little heavier because you're dealing with a motor than this one. But again, I'm not worried about weight. I'm looking for dependability and something I just want to pick up whenever I need to. When I go get it, I want it to work. All right. I don't want jams. I don't want a bunch of nonsense. And I tell you what, guys. Let me open this up, the battery section, and let's see if we can see if get this thing operational. All right, and again, this came with the 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. All right, so there's really no guessing on this. And here's the M12 batteries. I don't believe this will be charged, but we're gonna take a guess and let's see. You slip it in, goes right in. So as you can see, the charge light's right here. It's really low on it, so I don't think it's going to operate without getting fully charged, but let's try. Again, you drop the batteries. I just went through a couple of staples, but you throw it in, it lays flat, and you just slide this over it, and you're ready to go. I guess let's just do this right here. All right. We put down, this engages, and that's it. Oh, went right in, no problem. So that's another thing. It won't engage unless this is pushed down. So, which is good. I like that too. So, having this system here, it worked for many years, but it got to a point I got sick of it. And again, if you're doing a lot of stapling and you constantly pushing down on this, pushing, eventually your hands are gonna freaking tire out. All right, especially if you get different angles. Having a battery control system, you just pull the trigger, and it goes in. That is so butter. I'm gonna tell you right now. So again, guys, this is the Milwaukee M12 2, or just a 2447-20. Again, just want to show you guys a closer look at it, and I think you cannot go wrong with Milwaukee. All right, and again, I haven't. Love these machines, and again, if you can find this, wait for the sales. Pick this up. This battery bag and 2 batteries, $99, $100. You cannot go wrong. All right. Again, guys, boys in the toys, Studio Rays, and again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You don't like it, tell me why you don't like it. I'm trying to improve, and that's pretty much it, guys. All right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll check you on the next one. Later.